In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new appointment or meeting in Microsoft Outlook. So I'm here with Outlook open on my computer, and the first thing I'm going to do is move over to the left sidebar and click on the calendar icon. As soon as I click it, Outlook switches from the mail view to the calendar view, and now I can see my full schedule laid out with all my existing appointments and available time slots. Now that I'm inside the calendar, I move my mouse up to the top menu and click on New Appointment. Once I click it, a new appointment window opens, and this is where I can enter the details for the appointment I want to create. At the top, I see the subject field, so I click inside it and type the subject for my appointment. This could be anything like a meeting name, reminder, or task. Once I enter the subject, I move down to the date and time section. I click on the start date and time and select when the appointment will begin. Then I click on the end date and time and choose when the appointment will finish. I make sure both the start and end times are correct so the appointment appears properly on my calendar. Once everything looks good, I move up to the top of the appointment window and click Save and Close. As soon as I click Save and Close, the appointment window closes, and now I can see the new appointment displayed on my calendar at the time I selected. And that's it. I opened Outlook, clicked the calendar icon, selected New Appointment, entered the subject, chose the start and end time, and clicked Save and Close. The new appointment is now successfully added to my Outlook calendar.